full review might be long. For those in a hurry. Sound quality after 60 hours of burn in 9.5/10, the best I've ever heard, provided you use with laptop, not phone. Phones inbuilt amp isn't powerful enough to drive them properly. Accessories in box 9/10, quality of accessories 9/10, build quality of headphones 7.5/10, noise isolation 8/10, noise leakage 5/10. Almost everyone in the room can listen to what you're listening even if the volume is mere 50%. Unboxing experience 8.5/10, portability 3/10. Read the long story in T. These simply aren't for you. Even my LG V30 Plus with a hi-fi DAC can't play them on their full potential and will leave you desiring for more. Tried using iPhone XS too, same result. Best buy if you wanna headphones up to 20k for using with laptop and don't wanna compromise of sound quality, however you are willing to compromise on lack of unk. Here's the long story if anyone is interested. I had a budget of 15k and searched thoroughly on net. Everywhere it boiled down to just two products. AT M50X and Beyerdynamic DT770 Pro. I read a lot of reviews too. Then I finally chose the M50X since the 770 wasn't available on Amazon Prime. Before this I have used mainly earphones Sennheiser CX180, CX213, CX275, Creative Ape 630, Soundmagic A10C, Sony XB75AP, Sony Bluetooth headphones, LG stock headphones with LG V30 Plus, and some more low-end over-the-ear headphones. Straight out of the box without any burning in required, the Sen CX213 were the best sounding earphones amongst all when connected to a phone. The M50X were very disappointing out of the box when played using my phone. So much so that I thought I'd try returning them. But return of an electronic gadget isn't an easy job, as you might know. The sound was just average, subdued. Bass wasn't crisp at all. Loudness was merely average, so thought to do some research. Connected them to my laptop, did 60 hours of burn-in, tweaked the equalizer a bit by raising the low-end and high-end frequencies a bit, keeping mid-tones at default, switched on Windows Sonic for headphones. The headphones completely transformed. It was really like some beast had been unleashed. All that subdued sound was gone. The output was super crisp with crisp bass which did not muffle the high-end tones even a little. I could now hear so many instruments, that too in such rich quality that I had never heard before. It was like listening was believing. I regret buying it sometimes since I cannot tolerate my on-the-go listening headphones Sennheiser CX275 since they are nowhere even 20% as good as the M50X. Now I am waiting when will I go home, access my laptop and listen to good music. I would say, buy it only if it serves a purpose. Portability is a big issue with them since these themselves are bulky, plus no phone can drive them properly, so you need to carry a laptop too, else buy a mobile amplifier, which is another bulky instrument which you'll need to carry along. Yet another masterpiece by Audio-Technica. These headphones are fantastic. I use it for music production and listening to music on the phone as well. It works perfectly without a headphone amp. The sound quality is amazing. Although an amp can be used to achieve its maximum potential. Overall a thumbs up and worth every penny. Go for it. Click link in description for more reviews.